Hello. I think my voice will be there to Nirav and Sandeep sir, both the guys. Hello. Nirav sir, મારો અવાજ આવે છે?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Th- This is
દરેક
it.
વખતે આપણે એલાઉડ
એ સર ગેસ્ટ છે એટલા માટે સર ગેસ્ટ ગેસ્ટ આર રિક્વેસ્ટ ગેસ્ટ
પણ આપણે યુઝર નેમ અને પાસવર્ડ જે મોકલાવી દીધા તો એનો ઉપયોગ નથી કરતો લાગતો એવું લાગે છે. આઈ થિંક ધેટ.
એ લોકોનું જે હોય ને એ લોકો ડાયરેક્ટ લિંક કરીને ઓનલાઈન થઈ શકે છે સાહેબ. આપણે હમણાં પેલું
હા
તમે
એક્ઝેક્ટલી
સમજો.
એટલે મેં જે પહેલા કહ્યું હતું કે they if they have their own mail and if they wanted to join they can join. એટલે દર
That's fine.
વખતે ચાલુ સેશનમાં આપણે એલાઉ કે ડિસ એલાઉ કરવું પડશે મતલબ એવો થયો.
ના એ ગેસ્ટ આવે ને ગેસ્ટ હોય ને સાહેબ તો જ એમ
હા પણ એનો
ન્યૂ
ક્વેશ્ચન છે
કોન્ટેક્ટ
ગેસ્ટની એન્ટ્રી થાય છે ખરી દેટ ઇઝ ધ ફેક્ટ.
હા ધેટ ઇઝ ફેક્ટ થિંગ્સ નહીં એ તો આપણે બી વાત કરી હતી ડિસ્કસ કરી હવે આ જે છે બરાબર છે.
I think now let us we start the session at the 4 o'clock. So
અમોલ સાહેબ નું તો ઓલરેડી અપલોડ છે જ એમને અમોલ સાહેબ નું એ ગેસ્ટમાં આવે અમોલ મતલબ કરી એટેન્ડીમાં છે.
fine. So Niro, I will start the session. So good afternoon to all the participants, my friends, and once again the important coordinators as well as the volunteers that who helped to make success in this faculty development program. So once again I welcome to all the participants who have joined right now. Today's demo session which has been kept, the purpose behind that, I kindly request to please mute your microphone. Uh, Today's session which has been kept to give the broad perspective of this FDP as well as that we have created the uh, FD for the FDP Microsoft team username and the password that we had been created. So our intention is that the participant must be sure about their username and password and find difficulty they can ensure through the Telegram group. Also, the some of the participants has not joined the Telegram group, so they are urged right now to join the Telegram group so that the communication the between us and you will be feasible. About the FDP is concerned, the FDP is titled is Advances in Concrete Technology and Sustainable Construction Practices. Uh, as per the AICT Atal guidelines, each day the three session which has been kept in each session the approximately 1.5 hour to 2 hour which has been set to distribute the views of the experts, that is to the presenters, and after that the participants has been allowed it for their questions. It is desirable that the participants can ask their questions through chat box instead of the asking the questions intermediate way. So it is desirable after completion of session or during the session they can raise their questions, they can ask their queries through chat sections. We with my friends and also with the volunteers will communicate the things between you and the experts and try to resolve whatever your queries related to this. So as per day per session, the three sessions per day which has been kept. If the start from the first session 10 to 12, the second session is 1 to 3, and the third session is 3:30 to 5:30. To give the introduction, myself, Dr. K.B. Parikh, I am Associate Professor, Government Engineering College, Dahod, and with me, the sir is
Dr. UK Khare.
Dr. UK Khare sir is there with me. He is also with me as a coordinator of this particular FDP. He is also an associate professor, Civil Engineering Department. So I warmly welcome all the guys right now for this FDP session. The first session on the first day, the inaugural function which has been kept In this inaugural functions, we have invited the principal of LD Engineering College, as well as we have tried to spare some time to our directors of the Gujarat Technical Education Department. We wish that they will remain present on the first day at the time of 9:45. So our inaugural session will start at 9:45, and the link which has been shared one day before for the same, possibly on the Saturday and Sunday, the link will be shared to all the participants related to that through email as well as through Telegram. So this is the first view. The another next session which is based on between 1 to 3. So first session is from between 10 to 12. Second session is 1 to 3. There is a break for 1 hour, and after that there will be 30 minutes breaks, and the 3:30 to 5:30 another session will be there. In all the session we are keeping the same thing. Whatever your questions or doubts will be there will be raised through chat sections, and the same thing we can replicate to the experts. Another thing is that as per the AICTE Atal guidelines, the 80% presence is mandatory. So for each and every session, we are taking your presence record. 80% presence, that means we have to upload your presence on the Atal portal. So please be sure about your presence is concerned, and the assignment in terms of the examination quiz session which has been assigned to you at the end of day preferably, and out of that you have to secure 60% marks. So the two criteria that you have to satisfy to get a certificate from the AICTE, the certificate which will be assigned by the AICTE through your portal, only the portal from which you make a registration. So that particular registration portal which is to be useful to get the certificate after completing submission of your feedback form. So this is here one of the important criteria. Can I request you to please mute your microphone? So to get a certificate, you have to submit the feedback form first, and then after successful submission about the presence as well as the marks from our side, and the successful submission of the feedback from your side, within 24 hours you can download your certificate. So the two criteria: 80% attendance, 60% of your marks which will be attained from the quiz session or from the assignment session, and the successful submission of the feedback form. We had try our best to resolve your doubts. So for to resolution of your any kind of the doubts, you may directly communicate through Telegram group, through WhatsApp directly to me. Also my phone number has also been mentioned in the particular brochures of this particular FDP. We will make our try best so that there will be a minimum disturbance to you as well. We have called the various senior professors from the NIT as well as from the various engineering colleges, renowned colleges, principals of the Gujarat state, so that they will share your knowledge to you regarding the advances in the concrete technology as well as the sustainable construction practices. Another thing about this FDP is concerned, from first come first basis that we have accepted we have given the approval, as it is also a surprise for us that there is an overwhelmed response which we have been observed in this particular FDP, as within 10 days the whole sheets which has been filled 256, and after that particular in Atal portal we cannot visualize this particular FDP. As far as the AICTE concerns, they have also instructed, if possible, that we have to communicate to you whether if you are not interested, then please tell us so that we can take the new participant. But the response is very good from the participant side. Regarding your queries, once again, I urge you, find any kind of difficulty, you may communicate to me personally through my mail, through phone, and as usual, the Telegram link which has been created. We have kept the two industrial sessions specifically on Tuesday and the Wednesday that we have been kept at the last session so that the industrial expert can share their views. As one session is mandatory, which has been kept about the human values and the ethics as well as for the stress management as per the guidelines of the AICTE, which has been kept on the last day, Friday. During the session, it is to be expected that the microphone must be mute from your side, and whatever your communication questions raised, please through use the chat box so that it can be ensured to solve from our side. I think whatever the things I want to tell to communicate you, which has been complete, but through some experience, it has been observed that uh, there are certain issues at the last stage that the some of the participant has not got the certificate. They are not possible to download the certificate. So to achieve the certificate, the three are the important criteria. Important one is 80% attendance, 60% the marks, and the third is feedback form that you have to fill online. The feedback form which has been generated from the AICT side. We are not generating any kind of feedback form. The we are generating only and only the quiz session or assignment session which has to be given to you. Now, if you have any kind of query, you may raise through chat section, and if you have anything, you can ask or you can share the things. Today's session is only and only to discuss between you and to solve your queries and the doubts. So if you have any question, then let us be continue, and if you do not have any question, then finally within 5 minutes I will end this session, because the intention of this session is to communicate, to share, to discuss. If any doubt about the Gujarat government is concerned, those are the government employees and those who have approved participant from our side are requested to fill up the CT portal, training portal, as it is open, and in that portal also this training has been visualized, so that this there will be a new order will be issued from the CT also, only for the government of Gujarat employees concerned only, for not other participant is concerned. But it has been observed that very less participants from the Gujarat side, and the majority of the participants are from the other states. This is a Microsoft team platform which enables, once again there will be a certain disturbance will be there. Some one's microphone will be open over here, so this will create the trouble for us and you. So please be ensured that microphone should not be open from your side, so that the expert should not be disturbed while giving their expertise or while sharing their expertise. So from any of the participant has any kind of doubt, please share through chat box so that it will be resolved right now. If you have any kind of the issues, please share. As usual, the sharing is there with right up now, so you can ask your questions over here. You can ask
Hello,
your
sir.
any kind of questions through chat box. Yes sir, please. Darshan sir, please, you may raise your questions.
Yes, sir. I am student and means I am the questions are asked to from volunteer side or from participant side.
Participant side question which has been asked from their side through chat box, that we have to, after completion of the session, we have to ask to the expert. Okay, this is the questions from the participants, so they will reply those questions. Understand, Darshan?
Okay, sir. Okay. Means we have to only listen and understand.
Exactly right. We are the intermediator right now between the expert as well as to the participants. Whatever the questions from the participants that we have to solve, and we have to give these questions to the expert. Okay, Darshan? Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, most welcome. Uh, Another instructions to all the participants. Now, is there any questions from your side? So there is no questions. I feel that, and there is no questions has been raised from any of your side. So I'm stopping this session. As usual, I have seen the chat box. There is no questions from your side. Thank you very much. The link will be shared. Official link will be shared of the each and every date and session wise by my friends, my colleagues to you through Telegram section as well as through email section. It is kindly requested all the participants please join using your email ID and the password which has been shared to you, so that we can take your attendance regularly. As such, the attendance is the preliminary criteria, that is the 80% attendance. So kindly join using your email address and specifically password. Thank you. Bye bye.